This video gonna show you how to program a remote key for CAS3 on BMW. You can click Help to check connection information. First of all, we need to remove the CAS3 module of the vehicle. CAS3 module is under the steering wheel. Let's check all the stuff we need. We're gonna need CAS3 module, 20-pin cable, ACDP host, OBP ICP adapter, BAV key adapter, CAS3 copper pillar, CAS3 interface board, BDN adapter, a walk key and a new blank key. Install the copper pillar. Align D1 to D4 test points. Vertical press down the CAS3 interface board. Lock the board with copper pillar. As long as the 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Connect the OBP ICP adapter and the BDN adapter. Connect the BDN adapter and the CAS3 interface board. Then connect ACDP host. Power ACDP host. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose CAS 1 to 4. Choose CAS3, CAS3 Plus. Choose ICP mode. It's always good to click Help. You can find out where the mask ID is. Then select option based on mask ID. My chip's ID is OL15Y, so I'm gonna choose the first one. Click IMMO. Choose step 1, read CAS date. Click OK. Pin detection pass. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test points. Check the vehicle information. Please save the original CAS3 date. Choose Step 2, General Dealer Keys. Click Add Key. Connect the ACDP and the BAV adapter according to the diagram and insert blank key. Check the key information. Click OK. Select the original CAS3 date. Check the vehicle information. Remove the blank key and pull in the walk key. Click OK. Check the walk key information like ISN, VIN, key ID. Take out the walk key. Pull in the blank key again. Click OK. Choose the unoccupied key channel displayed as FF. Select option based on the key type. Based on my key, I'm gonna choose remote key. Please save the new CAS3 date. This date contains the information of old key and new key. Method 1. You can put the CAS3 module back to the vehicle and insert a new key into the key slot for learning. Start the car with new key. Method 2. You can write the CAS3 date back. Choose Step 3. Write CAS date. Follow the wiring diagram to connect the ACDP BDN adapter and the CAS ECU. Click OK. Pin detection pass. Click OK. Load the new CAS3 date. Click OK. Put CAS3 module back to the vehicle. All operations are complete. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.